everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So my name is Mailiani, and today I would like to show you the video asking about time, date, season. Then I also using present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Enjoy the video. Hey Dena, look, what time is it now?
It is 11:30 AM.
Then, what day is it today?
Today is Friday, May. Why?
Yes, it's Friday. Then why are you still playing with your phone? Don't forget, it's almost time for Jumu'ah prayer.
Astagfirullah. Sorry, I forgot. Oh my God.
A few moments later.
Dena!
Alright. I've already taken a shower and prepared my clothes.
Good. I'm getting ready now and waiting for you.
Wait, I've been thinking. Why are you waiting for me?
Because today is the day, remember?
Huh? The day of what? Wait. What day is today?
Dena, it's your mom's birthday. It's October 11, 2025. Do you remember what season is it?
I think it is spring. The weather has been warmer lately. And flowers are starting to bloom.
Exactly. Let's go to your mom's birthday party after the prayer, okay?
Okay, let's go.
Okay. So, yep. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a like, comment, and if you want, please subscribe my channel so that you can watch all of my videos later. Thank you so much. Bye bye.